Welcome, and congratulations on becoming a new resort cottage owner at Great Blue Resorts. We are pleased to welcome you into our Great Blue family. We have put together a short video to let you know what to expect on your resort cottage handover day. To ensure a seamless handover, your handover date will take place weekdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or weekends before 10 a.m. Upon arrival to the resort, please check in at the Welcome Center to meet with your sales advisor, who will ensure everything is in order for the special day. Payment is due in full prior to your handover day. Payment can be made via certified check, bank draft, credit card, or deposit. If you have used financing for your purchase, your agreement must be signed and returned to the finance company for funding. They will connect with you to set up the signing. Your resort specialist is on hand to answer any questions. Resort management fees must also be paid the week prior to your handover day. These may be paid by debit, credit card, or check to the resort. You must have your resort cottage insured prior to your handover date. Please bring a copy of your insurance policy with you. You should have received all the information on insurance and our Carefree Plus package from your resort specialist. For new resort cottages, your sales advisor will be providing you with a Northlander Industries Resort Cottage Walkthrough Checklist. You will be using the checklist to make sure everything included in the purchase is present. This walkthrough will be focused mainly on the aesthetics of your cottage, as well as testing your services and connections for hydro, gas, and water, giving you full peace of mind. Your sales advisor will also be providing you with your warranty activation form and your warranty information. For previously owned cottages, if you have purchased a previously loved resort cottage, this comes included with a 5-year peace of mind warranty. Your resort specialist will do a full documented walkthrough and demonstration of services. In summary, please ensure before you arrive we have the following: full payment of resort management fees, copy of insurance. Congratulations, and once again, welcome to Great Blue Resorts.